Welcome to Marvel DC Zone. Are you ready for the transformation of superheroes into mining trucks? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Iron Man. Transformation into mining truck. King Shark. Transformation into mining truck. Hawkeye. Transformation into mining truck. Joker. Transformation into mining truck. Spiderman. Transformation into mining truck. Superman. Transformation into mining truck. The Hulk. Transformation into mining truck. Bane. Transformation into mining truck. Miles Morales. Transformation into mining truck. Harley Quinn. Transformation into mining truck. Green Lantern. Transformation into mining truck. Venom. Transformation into mining truck. Captain America. Transformation into mining truck. Wolverine. Transformation into mining truck. Batman. Transformation into mining truck. Flash. Transformation into mining truck. Groot. Transformation into mining truck. Black Widow. Transformation into mining truck. Deadpool. Transformation into mining truck. Ghost Rider. Transformation into mining truck. Moon Knight. Transformation into mining truck. Thanos. Transformation into mining truck. Black Panther. Transformation into mining truck. Anti-Venom. Transformation into mining truck. The Thing. Transformation into mining truck. Thor. Transformation into mining truck. Black Adam. Transformation into mining truck. Doctor Strange. Transformation into mining truck. Carnage. Transformation into mining truck. Scarlet Witch. Transformation into mining truck. Cyborg. Transformation into mining truck. Aquaman. Transformation into mining truck. Wonder Woman. Transformation into mining truck. Falcon. Transformation into mining truck. Ant-Man. Transformation into mining truck. Captain Marvel. Transformation into mining truck. Daredevil. Transformation into mining truck. Human Torch. Transformation into mining truck. Loki. Transformation into mining truck. Punisher. Transformation into mining truck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next videos, goodbye.